So you saw somewhere on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, somewhere that said, oh, buy equipment, you can write it off. Buy the software, you can write it off. But did they tell you that that is called Section 179, where you could possibly write the entire thing off in the year that you purchased it, whether you use cash or a loan? Let me say that again. Whether you use cash or a loan, it does not matter. You can deduct the full amount of that item the year that you bought it, not the year you paid it off. My name is Alicia Harvey. I am your tax advisor. I'm here to help you save money. I need you to join my community where we have women, business owners that are saving today, not tomorrow, learning today and not next week. You are overdue for learning on what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. So take your power back. That's what we're here for.